The 1980 Rover SD1 Vitesse stands as one of the most remarkable British performance sedans of its time, combining sleek design, advanced engineering, and a powerful V8 engine. As part of the SD1 lineup, the Vitesse variant was developed to inject a high-performance edge into Rover's flagship model, making it a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciated speed and luxury in one package. Its blend of European styling and muscle car-inspired power made it a unique and sought-after classic. Powering the 1980 Rover SD1 Vitesse was a 3.5-liter Rover V8 engine, upgraded with fuel injection to produce 190 horsepower and 220 pounds-ft of torque. This enhancement significantly improved performance, allowing the Vitesse to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.1 seconds, an impressive figure for its era. The engine was paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing a more engaging driving experience. The improved aerodynamics and a reworked suspension setup also contributed to better handling and stability, making it a true driver's car. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and well-balanced chassis, the Vitesse delivered a thrilling and dynamic ride. Visually, the Rover SD1 Vitesse exuded a bold and aggressive presence. It featured a long, sloping fastback design that gave it a sleek, aerodynamic profile reminiscent of European Grand Tourers. The addition of front and rear spoilers, distinctive badging, and white alloy wheels emphasized its sporty character. Its styling was ahead of its time, blending futuristic elements with classic British elegance, making it a standout on the road even today. The car was available in a selection of striking colors, further enhancing its visual appeal. Inside, the 1982 SD1 Vitesse provided a driver-focused cockpit with a mix of luxury and sportiness. The cabin featured well-bolstered seats, a functional dashboard layout, and premium materials that gave it a refined feel. A 3-spoke steering wheel and a comprehensive instrument cluster ensured the driver had full control and awareness of the car's performance. While the technology was basic compared to modern standards, it included essential features such as electric windows, a quality sound system, and climate controls. The spacious interior and comfortable seating made it practical for long journeys while maintaining its high-performance credentials. The 1982 Rover SD1 Vitesse represents the perfect fusion of performance, design, and engineering innovation from a golden era of motoring. Its powerful V8 engine, striking aesthetics, and engaging driving dynamics make it an unforgettable classic. Whether admired for its speed or cherished for its elegant styling, this car continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts worldwide. For more classic car reviews, specs, and in-depth features, make sure to subscribe and join the growing community of car lovers who appreciate automotive history.